what this is.
That's what you need to do, girl.
So death.
I've been watching you for a minute. Come through here, some sweets in it. Your life, girl, you need me in it. I'm determined to win it. I know what you need, I know what's wrong. I know how to make it tight. Everything will be alright if you introduce you to my world. Introduce you to the better side of life that you ain't been seeing, girl. I'ma show you where it's at, and I'ma show you how to get it. All you gotta do is be with it and down like a real man supposed to. I never would've approached you if I ain't have intentions on doing good. See, dude, you with it, so full to me, girl. You're so cool, and all I'm asking you to do is down like a best friend and two homies in a gang. When you cry, I wanna feel your pain. No secrets, no games, all excitement, nothing plain. And keep you happy, that's my aim. And all you gotta do, girl, is in my arms, in my mind, all the time. I wanna keep you right on my side till I die. I'm gonna hold you down, make sure everything is right with you. You can never go wrong if you let me hold you down like a real friend's supposed to. I'm trying to show you the life of somebody like you should be living. Oh, baby, baby, you can never go wrong if you let me hold I'ma keep you up on what's poppin' and shaking fresh to death. When we hit the mall, we gon' ball till there's no more left. I know you ain't used to it, but you gon' get used to it, cause that's the only way I'ma do when you let me. All the homies think I'm trippin' cause I got you prepared, but see, they just mad cause they ain't get you, Scorpio, it's your sign. And girl, you're so fine, and I would do whatever in no time, no shine. It's what you coming with, but I'ma change all that, rearrange that, put you in the range all black, with the rims that match, phone attached, TVs in the back.